Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the paint so you know what to do next. If it's tacky on the surface but not set, you can rescue it. If gummy, you need more aggressive steps. Make sure you have acetone, a fine file, buffer, cotton pads, and a thin polish or top coat. Once done, remove jewelry and wash hands. This prevents contamination. Work in good light so you can see texture and shine changes as you proceed. You now smooth imperfections to create a receptive surface. First, gently buff raised ridges with a fine buffer. Don't overfile through the layer. Then dab a tiny amount of acetone on cotton and swipe one direction to slightly reflow the polish. This helps blend separation and evens surface tension. Make sure to let acetone evaporate fully before moving on. After evaporation, apply a very thin coat of matching polish. Thin layers dry faster and level better. You finish by sealing for durability and shine. Apply a quick-dry top coat using 3 strokes. Center, left, right, cap the free edge to prevent chipping. Once set, add cuticle oil to reintroduce oils and prevent brittle lifting. If you still see wrinkling or bubbling, make sure the base was fully dry. If not, remove with acetone and start again. If polish peels, lightly file the edge and reseal. This approach prevents future cracking and keeps nails smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.